Hello, guys, how are you? Today, we will discuss something important in 3D design, which is drawing 2D shapes. We will explore the various tools used in 2D drawing. But before we begin, don't forget to support the channel with a like, subscription, and sharing the video. Let's get started. We choose the top plane and hide the other planes. First, we select a plane to be the face on which we will draw. Then, we click on the pen icon to display the different tools used for drawing, editing, copying, and other tools that we will explain. However, we will now focus on the tools for drawing shapes. First, we have the line tool to create straight lines starting from 2 points. We also have the midpoint line tool to create a line by first defining the midpoint of the line and then its endpoints. This tool is not available in the mobile version. Next, we have corner rectangle tool to create a rectangle starting from 2 points that define 2 corners of the rectangle. We also have center point rectangle tool to create a rectangle starting from its center and one of its corners. Additionally, we have align rectangle tool to create an inclined rectangle that is not parallel to the X and Y axes. This starts with a point, then creating the first side, and then extending the rectangle. This tool is also not available in the mobile version. We also have center point circle tool to create a circle by defining its center and then a point on its circumference. There's also 3-point circle tool to create a circle starting from 3 points on its circumference. Similarly, we have ellipse tool to create an ellipse by defining its center and then its 2 axes. For drawing arcs, we first have 3-point arc tool to create an arc from a circle by defining its 2 endpoints first, and then the third point to determine the arc's diameter and center. Second, we have tangent arc tool to create an arc starting from the end of any line except spline and conic. Third, we have the center point arc tool to create a regular arc by defining its center, then its radius, and then its length. Regarding tools not available in the mobile version for creating arcs, we first have elliptical arc tool, which is used to create an arc from an ellipse by defining the center, then the first and second diameters, and then the arc length. Second, we have conic tool, where we first define its 2 endpoints, then the third point to determine the shape of the arc, and row to determine the type of arc. For drawing regular polygons, we have 2 options. First, there is the inscribed polygon tool to create a regular polygon that surrounds a circle. We first define the center, then the circumference of the circle, and then the number of sides by scrolling clockwise to increase the number of sides or counterclockwise to decrease the number. Second, there is the circumscribed polygon tool to create a regular polygon surrounded by a circle. We first define the center, then the circumference of the circle, and then the number of sides by scrolling clockwise to increase the number of sides or counterclockwise to decrease the number. For curved lines, we have spline tool to create a curved line by defining points on the line and dragging to shape the curve. The tool not available in the mobile version for curved lines is Bezier tool, which is used to create a curved line with the ability to control its curvature using control points separate from the line itself. With Spline tool, we also have the option of spline control points to modify the curve. Finally, we have the point tool to add points to the drawing. At the end of the video, I hope you found the explanation useful, and I'll see you in the next video.